Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. First and foremost, let us express our gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for giving us the opportunity to continue our life in this world, especially in this month of Ramadan. Alhamdulillah. Let us continue to intensify our amal beside the fasting in the month of Ramadan. Especially we are in the last 10 days of Ramadan. Let us make dua. May Allah guided us to, to be blessed in all our deeds. And for this day 25 of Ramadan and anniversary, we will examine some principles from Juz number 25 that can be related to the studies of management. There are 4 surahs that embedded in Juz number 25. Surah Al-Shura, Surah Al-Zukhruf, Surah Al-Dukhan, and Surah Al-Jasiyah. These 4 surahs have brought us to the attention about the message of obedience to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. In Surah Al-Shura, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala wanted us to remain in unity, honor our treaties, and be guided by the revelation and also the teaching that's shown by the messengers of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. In Surah Zukhruf, Allah talking about this life is not beautiful, it's not with roses, but there are challenges in life, a lot of tests, a lot of difficulties, and we have to face those challenges with the blessings and also guidance from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Surah Dukhan main emphasis is on obedience to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, and Al-Jasiyah reminded us not to be arrogant, ego, and to follow our desire because we have to obey Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Therefore, the lessons that we could relate to management in here is about unity, nurture, integrity, taqwa, and yields. Unity has been the important ingredient in getting things done through and with people. So we have unity of command, unification of people, and also unity in thinking. This unity is important for the shared values and standardization. If people with different directions and values, this will make the organization into less focus and also having difficulties. And next element that we need to nurture or educate ourselves and also others about how to be peaceful, to be united, and also to be helpful and to be kind also to others. The third element is about integrity, because we are entrusted with the amanah as Khalifa and also servants of Allah. So we have to honor this amanah that already entrusted to us. And in order to perform our task, we need to remember that we are here to be tested. Therefore, we have to increase our consciousness, our piety, which is taqwa. So we have high hope in Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala through the messages and also through the commandment of Allah. And finally, in management, we're talking about the outcome based or yields, which is also the concept of al-akhirah, al-falah, that we have rewards and also punishment that are waiting for the servants and advisors of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. May Allah bless all of us. Wabillahi taufiq hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.